Hi, and welcome to Everlaw. My name is Jenny. I'm on the user education team. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can leverage Everlaw for secure internal collaboration. Everlaw has a number of tools and features to support collaborative workflows, most notably the ability to share and message your team without leaving the security of the platform. These features allow you to easily surface issues with a document that need to be addressed, flag documents that are ready for a secondary review, and communicate new review instructions to others on your team. And it's not just documents that can be shared. Search results, review window layouts, and even storybuilder drafts can all be shared easily. Shared searches update consistently, which means that sharing them allows you to collaborate with other users on the search and see changes made in real time. For searches, all edits are saved and logged in the version history, which is accessible from the homepage or the drop-down menu next to the timestamp in the results table. To edit the search in question, you need to have either edit or full access permissions. To learn about collaborative searching on Everlaw, click here. Otherwise, sharing in Everlaw is indicated by this dot-dash icon. In many cases, this icon should be immediately visible in the toolbar of your page. If you don't see the option to share, you may not have the necessary permissions. An administrator on your project will be able to assist. If you happen to be an administrator and would like to know how to set these permissions, please skip to the indicated time. Now that we can identify the share icon, I'll demonstrate how to share a search term report with others on our team. I made a search term report to identify potentially privileged documents that I would like others on my team to review and offer their opinions on. I'll select the Share button. This will open up the Share dialog box, where I can indicate who I'm sharing this search term report with. This could be specific individuals, entire groups, or everyone in the project. Selecting Everlaw will share this report with Everlaw's support team. This is a great way to get support on an issue you might be facing with this particular set of documents. Next, I'll want to clarify what level of permission I'd like the recipient to have. View allows users to see which documents were found using this search term report and review them normally, but not add or remove any terms or search criteria. Edit allows the selected users to also add or remove search terms from this report in addition to being able to view the resulting documents. And Full Access permits the selected users to share this search term report with others in this project or delete it altogether. Think of this as having administrative permissions over this report. Lastly, I have the option to write a message to folks receiving this search term report. Perhaps I'll clarify why these documents are being shared. From here, simply select Share to give your recipients access to this report. Recipients are notified in real time via their platform messages that something has been shared with them. At Everlaw, we understand how important it is to stay informed. That's why we'll send you an email as well, so that even if you're not currently in the platform, you will still be notified. Whether in your email inbox or in messages on Everlaw, you will find a card or a link in your email to the item that has been shared. All homepage objects sent between team members will appear automatically on the recipient's homepage, excepting shared searches. Those are run from the message center first, so it's necessary to find the relevant message and then click on the search for it to then appear on your homepage. Messages works like your email inbox, with the inbox, unread, favorites, and sent. In message types, you can further sort by user messages, support messages between you and Everlaw support, or platform messages, with notifications about completed uploads or productions. To easily find a message, you can enter a keyword, name of another Everlaw user, or a phrase in the search bar at the top. The Message Center also supports advanced searches. You can find a cheat sheet of examples by selecting the I next to the word search. If you'd like to send a message without an attachment, use the New Message button to draft. For a written account of this information, find our help article linked here. As an essential part of your workflow, internal collaboration ensures that you and your team are completing your review in a way that is targeted, efficient, and well organized. If you are a project administrator on Everlaw, you have additional capabilities that allow you to dictate how other users can collaborate with each other, the documents, and different features on Everlaw. This does not apply to private items created by individuals, most notably searches and binders. These remain under the control of the user who created them, and anyone else granted share permissions on that search or binder. But for all other shareable objects, you'll be able to change the permissions as necessary. You can do this for individual users or groups. To change the sharing permissions of an individual user, navigate to the User tab of Project Settings and select the permission icon next to the name of a user. You'll be able to toggle between full access, which gives the user the ability to share the object in question, to edit, or view only. This same logic can be applied at a group level in the Permissions tab. For example, I can change the reviewer's search term report permissions from Create to Receive. Because individuals must belong to a permission group on Everlaw, all users in this reviewer group will be affected by the changes made on this page. And a last note, in addition to the changes a project administrator can make on the way other users collaborate, their own permissions default to view all StoryBuilder objects. This means any items in StoryBuilder will automatically be visible to anyone who is a project administrator. Don't forget, anywhere you go in Everlaw, you'll see the help icon in the top right corner. This is where you can contact our support team, find suggested help articles, and join the Everlaw community to talk with other users.